So this is a 2015. Yeah, 2015 Lincoln MKC 2.3 EcoBoost, and this is what I'm running into. I can't get a DTC for it. It won't tell me how it fails at all. It won't give me a code to go off of at all. It just says failed RGTM, but it will pass just a regular network test. But when you do a live network test to see how it's dropping out, this is about 12 to 13 minutes of running right here. I've got 24 failed attempts to ping that module in 12. But I can start it right now. It'll be good, then it'll be bad. It'll be good for a while, and then it'll be bad. So now we're running. You can see it drop down as it's testing each module. There it goes, coming down this section. And it passes right now. But if you let it run for 2 or 3 minutes, it'll give you another tick. Then it'll give you another tick. Then it'll give you another tick. But it doesn't fail enough to give you a hard fault to go off of so you can actually diagnose what's going on. So what it does is it leads you to believe that you need a liftgate motor. So when you go do the pinpoint testing for trunk or rear trunk release not working, it's going to lead you to the motor, and then you're going to replace the motor and it's not going to work. AJ7Z 14 Bravo 351 Alpha. Put the new motor in and it still won't work. It's because the module is biased. The module is no good. Let me show you this. Let me stop this here. And if you try to go into like module programming, let's say we want to put as-built data into this module, and then make sure it's shut off. I'll show you. Let's try to put as-built data into the module and reprogram it. So then you go to the RGTM, select it, ignition switch is on. Yes. It's going to say please wait. Were you directed here from another procedure such as programmable module installation or module reprogramming to obtain part numbers? No, I was not. I just want to reprogram. The function resets configure data in the module back to its original factory setting. Only the configuration data is changed during the process. This routine does not affect the calibration level of the module. Continue. You want to do automatic or do you want to do manual? Well, manual means I have the numbers to program in to get what I need. So let's just say I know I have the numbers. Let's go manual. Unable to continue. It doesn't even make an attempt to program the module. Now let's go as automatic like we're going to do it from the PTS database. Let's go as build, and then we'll go RGTM as if we want the internet to go ahead and pull data from Ford's web base. Set the ignition on. Yes, it is. You have reached the manual as-built entry limit for this session. To continue using as-built, you will need to create a new session. Okay, let's create a new session. Delete the session. No, I don't want that. I want programming. Go programming, as-built data, RGTM, set the ignition switch on, it's on. You have reached the manual as-built limit for this new session. Okay, so let's go ahead and wipe it out and let it reconfigure and find the car, everything fresh. From the back up, brand new session, not recognizing the old VIN and taking a fresh session as if it wanted to refine the VIN again. RGTM. Let's use the internet database. Ignition switch is on. Verification process. Yes. We're going to this time do automatic from Ford's database instead of manual entry. No, I was not here to obtain part numbers. I want to go automatic. Yes, use the network to find the data. There was an error reading the as-built file. Do you wish to retry? No. It doesn't matter. Just this module. 21 times it found an error. That was the original session before I walked away. So it needs a new module, and sometimes it's there and sometimes it's not. I'm tired of messing with it. It's a module. It's like, I think the module is like $62 employee price, and this is an employee car. So I'm done screwing around with it. I'm gonna put a module in it and be done with it. No error codes, no nothing. Got a new motor in it. Gonna have to put a new module in it. I have nothing to go off of, literally. The module's got power and ground. Communication lines are fine. The only thing left to do is put a module in it. Lincoln MKC nightmares.